this is IQOO Z9 Lite, and here in this video I'm just going to unbox and review, and I'm going to talk about its full specifications, so watch till end. And before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. We all wish to buy new phones that is best, so here some smartphones I want to show you. Here's the new launch mobile phone, and you will get in this mobile phone two color. One is the mocha brown and another is the aqua flow. And if you talk about this mobile phone designs, it's really beautiful, smooth 5G experience, and the lightning of fast speed. You can this super fast 5G video, uninterrupted video calls and gaming, etc. I buy this mobile phone under 11,499, and dimension here you can see it's 16.4L x 7.6W x 0.88 centimeters, and weight is 185 gram. Display size and quality here 5.56 inches type LCD, and resolution will be here 1612 x 720 pixels. Refresh rate here you can see 90 Hz. And if you want to know about the storage, friends, the storage you will get here inbuilt memory, it's 128 GB RAM, memory 6 GB. About the camera, 2 megapixels rear camera, 50 MP Sony AI camera. Front camera, it's 8 megapixels. It captures sharp and vibrant images with 50 Sony AI camera. As you can see here, I capture some photos. When you zoom it, it's very clear. I just love it. And if you want to know about the video, or you can say slow motion video, here I just try to record some videos. So here I just fast move, then after that let's play the video. So here if you play the video, friends, it's the slow motion video. It's really, I just love the slow motion video. It's so clear and good, really good. Under this price, this mobile phone, it's amazing. So now let's talk about the sound quality of this mobile phone. I wanna play some music, so please let's So you are getting these sounds on the screen and on the output of the mobile phone, and it's very good, the sound quality. Now let's check out the video quality of this mobile phone, how the videos work, it's good or not. You can play the game if you want to play. So I just play some videos here, 4K video, and it's play good. You can check this lightning. Okay, it's very amazing. It's look like so good. It's very good under this price. Let's check the advanced. Here's the, you can check out it. You can play 4K video, not only 2K. You can even zoom out and in. So it's beautiful and good. And if you want to know about the battery here, friends, 5000 mAh, and charging you will get USB type C under this price. And processor and OS operating system Fun Touch OS 14 based on Android 14. Processor powered by MediaTek Dimensity 63005G with 414564 and 22 score 2.4 Hz. Clock speed and octa-core CPU architecture, which gives effortlessly multitasking experience. And friends, it's even IP64 dust and water resistance. If you loved the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.